If you're wondering whether MLOps courses on Coursera are worth it, this video will give you a clear and honest answer. MLOps courses on Coursera can be extremely valuable, but only if you are at the right stage in your AI learning journey. Quick tip before we start. If you plan to take multiple MLOps courses, there is a link in the description that can give you a discount on Coursera Plus, which includes many of these programs. Let's break it down. First, what is MLOps and why it matters? MLOps stands for Machine Learning Operations. It focuses on deploying, monitoring, and maintaining machine learning models in real-world environments. This includes things like model deployment, automation, pipelines, and continuous monitoring. This is important because most AI courses teach you how to build models, but not how to actually use them in production. That is where MLOps comes in. Now let's look at the best courses. One of the top options is Machine Learning in Production. This course has a strong rating around 4.8 and focuses on real-world deployment, monitoring, and maintaining ML systems. It is one of the best starting points if you want to understand how machine learning works beyond just building models. Another strong option is Machine Learning Operations on Google Cloud. This is a more in-depth program that covers cloud-based MLOps pipelines and deployment using Google Cloud tools. It is ideal if you want industry-relevant, job-ready skills. You should also consider MLOps, Machine Learning Operations, which goes deeper into topics like cloud deployment, DevOps integration, and real-world ML systems. Now here is the honest part. MLOps courses are not for beginners. If you do not already understand machine learning and Python, these courses will feel confusing and overwhelming. But if you already know how to build models, MLOps is one of the most valuable next steps you can take. It is what separates beginners from job-ready machine learning engineers. So, are MLOps courses on Coursera worth it? Yes, if you already have machine learning basics and want to move into real-world AI roles. No, if you are just starting out and have not learned machine learning yet. Here is the key insight. MLOps is where real careers in AI start, because companies need people who can deploy and manage models, not just build them. And since many of these are multi-course programs, using Coursera Plus is often the most cost-effective way to access everything instead of paying for each course separately. If you want to explore these MLOps courses or check if a discount is available, use the link in the description to get started with Coursera Plus.